What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Now this is in regards to the competition that I'm currently running. I've been receiving a lot of feedback, a lot of comments, a lot of emails suggesting that some people may be cheating or maybe taking an unfair advantage with regards to this competition. And this message is out to everybody here. Now, my channel is as genuine as I can make it. I'm trying to help everybody out there, and that's the purpose of my content, is to help people, empower them, give them the skills and knowledge to get out there and give it a go yourself, save some money, and at the end of the day, you're going to benefit from this. We're trying to build a nice community here of good, honest, genuine people so that we can all rely on each other and help each other out. Now, with regards to this competition, I wasn't aware that some people can buy likes. To me, honestly, that's a ridiculous thing that you'd want to do. It's like buying a friend as far as I'm concerned. Why would you do it? If you're cheating somebody, then the onus is on you to do the right thing. Whether you believe in God, you believe in karma, you believe in upholding good values or morals, being a good citizen or a good person for that matter, if you feel like you're doing something wrong, you've got an unfair advantage, you've been paying for likes, which I still can't believe people can do, my honest advice to you is to just delete your comment, do the right thing, and we'll carry on with this competition in as best as possible way. Now, I tried to run this competition in a simple, straightforward manner, didn't put any kind of conditions in there. A little bit my mistake. I just kind of trusted everybody, which is the way I generally am. My parents raised me better than that. I wouldn't be unjust to anybody, take advantage of anyone or cheat them, and I'd kind of expect the same in return. So I put it out there to everybody. Make sure you're doing the right thing. Put your comments and your likes down below as long as they're genuine. So obviously I can't prove any of this. A lot of people have suggested using third-party software to run the competition. As far as I'm aware, YouTube guidelines don't allow you to use third-party software to run competitions, and I wanted to remain as impartial as possible so that I can be away from the selection process. So that's why I left it up to you guys, all the community out there. Everybody knows what's a good idea, what isn't. They can like it and go forward as they like. But seeing large numbers of likes where some person may or may not be cheating, once again, I can't prove it. So I'm going to put the onus on everybody out there. Make sure you're doing the right thing. If you are doing the right thing, then I wish you the best of luck as well. In future, we'll hopefully, any competitions that I run, I'll put it out to you guys and get as much feedback as possible to make sure that we've got everything on a level playing field, and it'll give everybody equal opportunity to win. I really wanted to help people out, and that's why I've put all this package together here, all these prizes together to give back to you guys. I wanted to say thank you, and if somebody wants to take advantage of that, there's honestly not much that I can do. I'm a person of my word. I keep my word and I won't break it, especially when you can't prove anything. So the competition will continue to run until the end date, which is Tuesday the 7th of September, and we'll conclude the competition on that date. Any competitions in future, we'll have a lot more thought go into it. I'll include everybody's feedback as well to try and make sure that we're doing the right thing. But hopefully everybody out there is doing the right thing. Hopefully you're all enjoying the videos, guys. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.